25 seats right now, viewers. Please note, Sambit Patra, welcome. And to those of my colleagues, I don't know if they are there, I'm not being unfair on Lutyens. Kanchan Gupta, are my colleagues Abhishek and Aishwarya still there? Is Deepthi still there? Sakal still there? Have they all left the studio or walked out in protest because we are completely dominating the show from here? 25 seats in Rajasthan. Snap analysis, 17 seats for BJP, 7 for Congress. No, watch. Delhi protested. I could hear Delhi. Yeah, please, please, Aarti, Aarti, go on. No, what's it? Let them, please. You know, I'm not at fault. The director has to.
Yes.
We have Aarti, I can hear her.
You have a bias against Lachan, so you just ignore us.
How can you say that?
No, one sec. With someone like Shastri sitting there, nobody can be ignored. Okay, snap analysis on Rajasthan, Aarti, and Kanchanda, I'm straight on you.
Very quickly.
Well,
Yes,
thank God for him. And now he's joined us. Maybe he'll listen to us in Delhi.
Before I go to Delhi for their comment, just quick analysis. Rajasthan is again the split verdict. On the Lok Sabha election vote share, it is 49 versus 43. But in the assembly election vote share, it is completely the other way around.
Let's put the assembly number on air now.
Congress is likely to sweep the Rajasthan assembly elections. Congress is likely to sweep the Rajasthan assembly elections. The nara on the ground, Modi tujhse bair nahi, Rani teri khair nahi. The numbers on the screen, 55 for the BJP, 144 for the Congress.
How has this changed in the last 2 months?
This is changing in the last, no, in Rajasthan's case, it has not really changed much. The gap is maintained by there is no gap change, but in case of Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh, the lead of Congress has definitely come down, so much so that in Chhattisgarh, when 2 months back Rajasthan Congress was clearly way ahead, it has come down the other way around. So in case of MP and Chhattisgarh, the margins have changed. It has gone to a razor tight finish, but in Rajasthan, it is Congress all the way. Next